Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share this fantastic dinnerware set from MULLERHEIM. So this set is so gorgeous. I love that it is ceramic. It is a great balance between casual and elegant. The black lining around the top also elevates the design. We store our plates on shelves, and these beautiful plates just look perfect in their home on the shelf. Additionally, what I enjoy that is very in fashion right now is the raised edges. It is very practical and it keeps things from rolling off the plate as you are walking with it. This set comes with 8 sets of a bowl, a small plate, a big plate, and a mug. 8 is great because if I have a small dinner party, I have a place setting for everyone. They are also dishwasher safe and microwave safe, which is an essential feature for me. This is also a perfect housewarming gift for friends and family, but also for yourself. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.